Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you two ways how to play music on your JBL Link music speaker. First of all, we have to select our speaker from the Google Home application, and then to start playing music you have to click to cast my audio, then tap to cast one more time and tap to start now. And right now we can open, for example, the YouTube Music, or maybe normal YouTube, and we can pick this one. So as you can hear, the sound comes from our speaker. And the second method, it's also very simple. Let me just get rid of that. We have to click to stop casting right now, and we have to select our speaker one more time and go to the settings in the right upper corner. Then we have to go for the device features and go for the audio. Right now go for the paired Bluetooth devices, and you can basically enable the pairing mode just right here and connect your speaker with the other devices. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Click here. As you can see, the pairing mode is activated. So right now on the second device, you have to just go for the Bluetooth, go to the pair new device. Oh, there's automatic connection, as you can see. There we go, I'm connected, and right now I can play this song.
Got a Glock with the G knife, red white tee with a creep pair of Levi, real ad crib. I never ever be slime fake.
So as you can see, right now we can also cast the sound from other devices. And yeah, you can also use the voice commands, so we can say, for example, hey Google, play some Justin Bieber on the YouTube, and you can also do this. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.